Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable voice aware on your JBL Endurance Race earbuds. So first of all, you have to select your earbuds from the JBL headphones application. Next, you have to scroll down, and the function you can find right here, and you can simply power on and power off by tapping on the switcher. And when you turn it on, you can also select the three presets. We can find low, medium, and also high. And when you tap on this information icon, you will find the description of this feature. So basically, the voice aware function allows us to hear our own voice while we are in the phone calls. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Hope you like it.